How to delete account on ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the ZipRecruiter app and make sure you are signed in, as in order to delete your account, you have to make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen. You will be led to your ZipRecruiter profile. Here, tap on the settings button on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for account. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the option for delete account. Tap on that. Now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on delete account option again, and with this, your account deletion request has been submitted and your request will be processed after 72 hours. Make sure that you will lose access to your profile, resume, application history, messages from employers, and saved jobs. So, ensure you have a backup of all these before requesting for account deletion. So this is how you can delete account on ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.